1 month away into Cobra Kai Season 5, it felt like the perfect time to drop a full tutorial on the Eagle FANG Karate Gi. This tutorial took a little bit longer to get out because we want to have different versions of the Karate Gi available for you guys to create. Everything from ordering the pieces online to attaching them together to creating the pieces yourself. I got it covered for you guys. 1 month away from Cobra Kai Season 5, I'm already breaking the sweat. Let's get into this tutorial.
For the patches, the most iconic piece, you guys could check out my previous video on how to create your own patch. If that's a little bit too difficult for you, you guys could totally go online on Etsy or order your patches like so, and they'll be good to go. The base of the suit is going to be a red karate gi. You could find this on Century Martial Arts. This is the accurate one they use to the show, the accurate brand. Unfortunately, this is sold out, but an alternative, you could go on eBay and find a cheap red gi. That's what I did. Unfortunately, my listing isn't available, but you could go ahead and search other ones. I got mine for around 20 bucks, so around $20 to $40 you're looking at spending on a gi. Another cool thing I noticed with the eBay gis is that most of them do come with the belt already with it, so you could change the color to black and you'll be good to go. This is my size. I got a 4. It fits good. The pants were freaking humongous, so I sewed them. Here are the pants straight out the package. Super baggy, you could totally use this, but I decided to hem them and tailor them with my sewing machine. Boom, there they go. Tailored and hem, good to go. Awesome, now we're going to get to attaching the patches. Went ahead to use some double-sided tape just to stick it on first. You want to line it in the middle, but more upwards I noticed on the actual gi in the show. I went ahead, got the sewing machine cracking, and sewed on the patches like so. Next, I proceeded to use super glue just to seal in the edges. This isn't something I'm going to throw in the washing machine, so I was perfectly fine doing this. Speaking of super glue, you guys could totally use super glue gel to attach it on, or even hot glue to attach the patches on. You do not need a sewing machine to attach them. Even for the arm patch, I went ahead and hand sewed it on or stitched. For the black and red stripes, I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. Again, like the patches, you could sew it on or use super glue or hot glue. What's going on, guys? Handheld Eye Customs here. So these are the pants themselves. Again, the black striping goes all the way down from the top all the way down like so. At the bottom of this, I did hem these a little bit because they're a little bit too short. You don't have to do that, but make sure to leave an opening, a gap here, because that is accurate to the show itself. You can see this is the texture of the webbing. I believe in the show it's a little bit more of a flat material, much like the fabric of the gi itself. But I kind of enjoy this. Gives a little bit more texture, a little bit more pop to it. Adds a little bit more detail that you might not notice at first, but when you see little details, it's all about the little details. Same thing for the belt. Here's a close-up of the belt like so. Just a red, more of a orange, which is a little bit disappointing, but that's okay. Started off as a black karate belt, and now Eagle FANG Karate. An alternative method for the black striping, you could go ahead and use electrical tape and red tape for the belt. You could totally just get a black paint marker, Sharpie, and draw it on. But the next method I highly recommend for your DIY creativity is Plaid Effects Smooth Black Acrylic Paint. This thing is going to work amazing. You can find it at your local Michael's for around $4 to $5. Just keep the lines crisp and clean when you're painting it on the pants and you'll be good to go. So we had the black strapping. One other detail I wanted to show you guys is the black strapping does not go all the way around. It stops around the middle of the neck area, like so. Another little detail is at the end of the karate gi itself, follow the black line. The side that has the black stripe towards the end of it, I'm going to put up a photo, has a little black bar here with the name Century. That's the brand that created the karate gis. A little homage to myself, I customs. The great thing about making these custom gis yourself is that you could customize it to your own liking. If you want the black stripe to be a little bit thicker, you could go ahead and do that. If you want it wider, go ahead and do that. Little tidbits like the end of here, instead of having the Century Martial Arts logo, you could go ahead and put your name like so, or like I even did on the side patch. Instead of having Miguel or Eagle FANG, I put my name, Ivan, like so.
Welcome to Eagle FANG Karate.
Eagles don't have fangs.
Honestly, there's no other way to feel badass than look like Miguel Diaz or any member from Eagle FANG Karate. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I had so much fun creating this and developing different options for you guys. Everything from getting super artsy and creative to just getting the pieces online and putting it all together 1, 2, 3 and you'll be good to go.
Thank you guys so much again for checking out this tutorial. Hope you guys learned something. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. With that being said, no mercy.